Now let's tell you more about Kerala's Wayanad. Now Wayanad, with one of the lowest per capita incomes, lowest literary rates and its farmers in distress, now have placed their faith in Rahul Gandhi. So check out this ground report by Executive Editor Gaurav Sawant.
Wayanad in northeast Kerala is known as the gateway to the Western Ghats. It's famous for its coffee plantation, for tourism, for rock climbing, for cash crops. This time, it's also famous for its Congress party candidate Rahul Gandhi. Will this prove to be the Congress's gateway to the south? Or, as both the left and the right say, will this be the Congress's Waterloo? Let's find out.
Wayanad, nestled in the Western Ghats, is blessed with abundant natural beauty. A treasure trove of a wide range of spices and best quality coffee. With the scenic Western Ghats and lush forests, tourism has been a thriving industry.
Okay, so how do we go about this? This is called a harness. I'm wearing the harness. Now we will just... we have the pulley here. The pulley is here. So do I also need to climb this? Or I don't need to climb this, do I?
Yeah, you need to.
Okay, you climb this. And run off.
But dig deep and a story of distress since the 2018 floods emerges.
The main farmers are facing in Kerala here, people are taking too much loans from the bank and all. So not even they are not getting more income to pay for that wages and etc. seeds and all. So that time the local small farmers they are not getting that much money.
Many say development has largely eluded the region despite 2 terms of Congress. The region lags behind rest of Kerala when it comes to per capita income.
Wayanad is a very eco-friendly place. We need a development with the preservation of our nature, everything. We are looking forward into that.
Locals hope to cash in on this newfound interest in Wayanad that has come with Rahul's candidature, making the seat a star constituency.
Are you aware that Rahul Gandhi is a candidate from here, Wayanad?
Wayanad, yeah. I read the news few days back.
Yeah. So does that change Wayanad in a way? I mean, does that make Wayanad elections more interesting as far as you're concerned?
100%. It does.
Why do you think Rahul Gandhi would be better than the left candidate or the right candidate?
It's not the individual, and we are talking about Congress. It's been the country's #1 of this one, and we are talking about. I don't want to talk about any individual. We wanted Congress, where we have a peace of mind or peaceful country in the world.
Despite claims of Wayanad being a safe seat and Congress bastion, it may not be Rahul all the way, especially with the left gearing up to defeat the Congress president.
We will defeat Rahul Gandhi in Wayanad.
You are saying this is a fight to defeat him?
Defeat them, yes. I told Wayanad will be Waterloo's Rahul Gandhi's.
The BJP, which fielded its ally BDJS against Rahul, has been accusing the Congress chief of choosing a seat where Hindus are in minority, after defaming the community with claims of saffron terror.
अब कांग्रेस भी समझ रही है कि देश ने उसे सजा देने का मन बना लिया और इसलिए भाग करके जहां मेजॉरिटी माइनॉरिटी में है वहां शरण लेने के लिए मजबूर हो गए.
While releasing the party's manifesto, Rahul Gandhi has defended his candidature by claiming that Modi is hostile to South India.
South India feels hostility from Mr. Narendra Modi. They feel that they are not being included in the decisions of this country. So I wanted to send a message to South India that we are with you and I am standing with you. That is why I am standing from Kerala.
The youth are especially looking forward, 1, to more job opportunities, 2, to a boost to tourism sector here, 3, to a medical college in this area. Gradually, of course, their wish list also extends to a permanent helipad and then an airport, which will be a big boost to tourism in this sector. With cameraman Kishan Kumar at Kalpeta, Wayanad, Gaurav Sawant for India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.